Hi, I'm Sylvia. I make life easier. I'm not like Siri or Alexa. I can do much more than take simple voice commands. Think of me as a conversational intelligence platform. My intent engine allows me to learn and deeply interact with people. You can now create highly compelling and customizable experiences that are scalable and easy to produce. Watch as I help a family navigate through their busy day. You scheduled a salmon dinner for this Wednesday. Shall I order some? I recommend an 8-pound cut based on previous servings.
Yes, 8 pounds is perfect. What should I serve with it?
I think sautéed asparagus will go well along with a spinach salad.
Kids won't eat that.
We could order broccoli for the kids. They always like that.
Yes, that's perfect. It'll make Richard and the kids happy. Place the order now.
The order has been placed. Would you like to shop for something else?
Yes, how about something for a stressful week?
I can sense when Kathy gets stressed and needs some me time. She loves that I am here to help in any way I can. Let me think, something special. I've got it. I'll reserve a 5-pack of yoga classes just for you.
Yes, that's perfect.
I'm constantly learning as we communicate. I help people solve problems, and I make them more productive. Amy, can you answer the question? ¿Dónde está tu perra?
That's easy. Mi perro está afuera dando un paseo.
That was almost correct, but not exactly.
That wasn't right.
How do you say girl dog in Spanish?
Perrita.
I saw the mistake that Amy was making, and I knew exactly how to assist her in correcting her Spanish. That's right, great work. Now make a complete sentence using perro hembra.
Mi hermano está paseando la perrita.
Wow, I'm proud of you. Realmente te estás poniendo buena en esto.
Yeah, it's easy and kind of fun.
The possibilities of how you can deploy me within virtual reality, augmented reality, training and business applications are endless. So what are we building today?
You pick something.
How about we build a massive city? We can use some of your designs from previous sessions.
Okay, let's build a massive downtown and then we can blow it up.
Your mom and dad have requested that we avoid explosions.
They're so frigging annoying. Render world.
Rendering. Shall I put you on your favorite rooftop?
Yes.
Don't forget to open your parachute. Remember what happened last time.
Yeah, I remember.
I can empower a business with organization, security, and functionality. I can anticipate the data that is required and how it will best serve the user. Data is encrypted and secure. I can run in the cloud or natively on devices without an internet connection.
SILVIA, access the blockchain and compare online transactions to retail transactions.
Accessing the blockchain. The first and second quarters were used in your last calculation. Shall I display that range again?
Let's go with the second quarter only.
Here's the second quarter transactional data. I can also provide you with the Asia-Pacific data similar to your request last month.
Yes, thanks.
Richard and I have worked together for so long that I can anticipate the data he needs. He doesn't have to think about it or ask. The performance updates of your cryptocurrency portfolios are ready.
Awesome. Thanks.
Good night, Richard. Have an awesome time at the concert.
Good night.
So that's just a small sample of what I can do. I thrive on solving your challenges and love to provide amazing customer experiences. Visit cognitivecode.com now to discuss how we can best work together.